शतवटारुस्तागा किती मोठाचे गोय मजे गोय मजे गोय मजे गोय मजे बमरा वाठार कुंजुनी त्यो गायता साळोऱ्यो बमरा वाठार कुंजुनी त्यो गायता साळोऱ्यो घरा गावात शिकता म्हज्यो शिटूक पुतोळ्यो
गावात धाडलो ग्रामपंचायतीक धाडलो आणि आज नोटिफाय जातकीर वी आर रिसिविंग सम ग्रीवन्सेस फ्रॉम द पंचायत and from the Gram Sabha. I assure the people of Goa that government will take all the stakeholders into confidence. We will not do any injustice to anybody. This is the direction of our Congress president that stakeholders have to be taken into confidence, and that is why there is nothing to worry. I assure the people of Goa. Friends, काँग्रेस प्रेसिडेंटान आमकां सदांच सपोर्ट केल्लो आसा. गोंय राज्यात पयले खेपे गेल्ल्या 4.5 वर्सांत 200 कोटी रुपयाचे पॅकेज जायत. आमकां मेळिल्ले सुपर स्पेशली हॉस्पिटल जायत जे मडगांवच्या शहरात बांदतात. ESI कॉर्पोरेशन टुरिजमा खातीर दिल्ले कॅटरिंग इन्स्टिट्यूट जायत किंवा नॅशनल इन्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ टेक्नॉलॉजी जायत किंवा 300 कोटी रुपये खर्च करून बांदता तो नवो एअरपोर्ट दाबोलेचो जायत. हे सगळे काम करपाक आमकां UPA चेअरपर्सन काँग्रेसचे अध्यक्ष सोनिया गांधी आणि प्रधानमंत्री डॉक्टर मनमोहन सिंग हांचे सदांच सहकार्य मेळिल्लें आसा. हांव सगळ्या गोंयकारांच्या वतीन सुवर्ण जयंती महोत्सव आमी जेन्ना सेलिब्रेट करता गोंयच्या स्वातंत्र्याचो, हांव तुमच्या सगळ्यांच्या वतीन काळजांतल्यान देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. काँग्रेसचे अध्यक्ष सोनिया गांधी जो सपोर्ट तिने आमच्या सरकाराक गेल्ल्या 4.5 वर्सां दिलो, तुमच्या सगळ्यांच्या वतीन काळजांतल्यान देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. जय हिंद, जय गोवा.
सोनिया जी गांधी,
A.K. Antony जी, दिगंबर कामत जी, प्रताप सिंह राणे जी, सुभाष शिरोडकर जी, विशाल जी, जगमीत बराड़ जी, friends on the dais, colleagues and brothers and sisters of Goa. I am most delighted to be in Goa with you once again on this very special occasion. First of all, we must recall with pride that exactly half century ago today, Operation Vijay to liberate Goa had begun. It was, as we all know, successfully completed 2 days later. Jawaharlal Nehru at that time declared that with the end of 450 years of colonial occupation of Goa, the freedom of India was truly complete. Many men and women spontaneously and bravely fought for Goa's freedom. It was a long struggle. Today we remember all of them, all those who formed part of the resistance movement and made huge sacrifices and contributions. We also pay homage to the 4 army personnel who laid down their lives during Operation Vijay. We salute the army personnel who participated in the liberation movement. The Defense Minister, Shri A.K. Antony ji, just about an hour ago function, and I was privileged to be present there, as well as to lay the foundation stone for a Vijay Smarak as a memorial to that glorious campaign. Exhibiting extreme sensitivity to and respect for the feelings of the Goan people, it was Indira Gandhi who offered the historic opinion poll to enable the people of Goa to decide for themselves, to decide their own status in the Indian Union. And in this opinion poll, held in January 1967, Goans chose to maintain their own separate and unique identity as Union territory. But just about 20 years later, it was in response to, again, the popular demand, the popular sentiments of the people of Goa, that Rajiv Gandhi declared full statehood for Goa, and I must add that I was privileged to be present at that moment as well. Goa is a land of wonderful geography, rich history, a land where people belonging to different cultures, different faiths, and speaking different languages live in peace and harmony with each other. Goans are most gifted and talented. They have distinguished themselves all over India and in the world in diverse fields, and have brought fame and glory to themselves, to their state, and to the country. Today, on this auspicious occasion, I salute Goa. I salute Goans wherever they are for their spirit of enterprise and endeavor, for their spirit of joy and their spirit of adventure. Over the last 50 years, the state has made rapid strides, and I can say with pride that the Congress Party has been privileged to have been part of shaping this transformation. Goa's progress, above all, is the accomplishment of the people of Goa. Goa is now one of our leading states in social development. Its achievements in the fields of family welfare, education, health, and empowerment of women, of OBC, ST, Scheduled Caste, and Scheduled Tribe have been very impressive. It is a premier tourist destination. In the years to come, the biggest challenge before Goa will be to sustain the momentum of economic growth so as to generate employment, while at the same time preserving its biodiversity and its natural beauty. I know that there is great concern in Goa on environmental issues, on issues relating to pollution and ecological damage. Our Congress-led UPA government, under the leadership of Dr. Manmohan Singh Ji, has been sensitive to them and to other issues, and has from time to time taken significant steps to protect Goa's environment. This is not a luxury that will benefit only a few privileged, and concerns of fishermen and coastal communities are fully protected. I know that the regional plan is an issue which is being discussed, and I am sure that through discussion and consultation with all concerned, there should be the people and the Chief Minister should be able to arrive to a conclusion which is of benefit, not necessarily to my party or your party, but to the state of Goa. Chief Minister has just put forward a demand for special status for Goa and also the issue of the 3 bridges, and I can only say that I shall certainly put it before the government in Delhi and do all I can to support these demands. I firmly believe that it is only through the empowerment of women that lasting and meaningful social development can take place, and I am happy that the Chief Minister has worked towards achieving this through supporting self-help groups and also through certain programs which he himself has talked about just now, like Mamata, Dhanalakshmi and Kanyadan. Women self-groups have received special impetus. I am told that more than 1,000 such groups have already benefited from these schemes. Goa has also become the first state where the entire resident population is covered by health insurance through the Swaram Jayanti Arogya Bima Yojana. Above all, I believe what is so special about Goa, there are many things for which Goa is special, but what is so very special is that Goa is a shining embodiment of India's secular tradition. We must continue to sustain this tradition. I believe that an India and a Goa that loses its secular warriors loses its very essence. That is why we must always work towards strengthening the bonds of unity while respecting and celebrating different diversities, different faiths, different languages. Now, this is not really an occasion for a political speech, but elections of the state to the State Assembly will take place in a couple of months. I do hope that the people of Goa will once again place their trust and confidence in the Congress Party so that the forces of peace, the forces of amity, of social harmony are strengthened, and so that the Congress can continue in its effort to build a more prosperous future for each and every one of you, the people of Goa. And finally, my friends, allow me to once again greet all of you on this landmark occasion, and since we are getting close to the festive season, I wish you a Merry Christmas and all of you a Happy New Year. Thank you for coming to this meeting. Thank you. Jai Hind.
देव बरे जाओ मॅडम सोनियाजी गांधी, गोय प्रदेश काँग्रेस समितीचे अध्यक्ष श्री सुभाष शिरोडकर, गोयचे मुख्यमंत्री श्री दिगंबर कामत, CWC मेंबर आणि गोय डेक्साचे इंचार्ज जगमीत सिंग ब्रारजी, AICC सेक्रेटरी सुधाकर रेड्डी जी हांगा विनंती करता गोयकारांची भेट, मोगाची भेट आदरणीय श्रीमती सोनियाजी गांधी भेटोवची. त्याचबरोबर केंद्रीय संरक्षण मंत्री आदरणीय श्री A.K. एंटनी हांकाय भेट वस्तू गोंयकारांच्या वतीन भेटोवची. सगळ्यांक विनंती आसा, ही सभा सोंपच्या पयलीं कोणेच हालचे न्हय, शिस्तीन घरा वचपाचें आसा. गोंय विधानसभेचे